Thyrotoxicosis is characterized by the clinical effects experienced due to an excess of thyroid hormone in the bloodstream. Hormones produced by the thyroid gland control how fast or slow the body works, that is the metabolic rate. Too much thyroid hormone, thyroxine or the triiodothyronine, speeds up the metabolism and results in the signs and symptoms of thyrotoxicosis. The main cause of the thyrotoxicosis is hyperthyroidism. Other rarer causes of thyrotoxicosis include excessive intake of thyroid hormone in patients treated for hypothyroidism and sometimes thyroiditis, toxic multinodular goiter, and toxic thyroid adenoma. Certain medications, for example amiodarone and lithium, can also cause excessive thyroid hormone production. Signs and symptoms of thyrotoxicosis include diarrhea, weight loss, shaking or tremors, and notably in the hands. Sweating, increased heart rate, overactivity, agitation, anxiety, changes in the emotions and feeling hot even though the room may feel cold to everyone else. Patients who may also experience thinning of hair, goiter or other signs of hyperthyroidism. In women, it can also affect menstruation and causes irregular periods and, if severe, reduced fertility. To diagnose thyrotoxicosis, tests should show raised thyroid hormone levels in the blood and low undetectable thyroid stimulating hormones. Treatment depends on the cause of the condition. Drugs called beta blockers, for example propranolol, can be used to reduce the symptoms of thyrotoxicosis. To treat the raised hormone levels, carbimazole or propylthiouracil is used. These act on enzymes in the thyroid gland to prevent production of thyroid hormones. Radioactive iodine involves the patient taking either a capsule of radioactive iodine. This is carried out as an outpatient. Iodine is taken up by the thyroid gland so that the radioiodine is concentrated in the gland and causes a gradual destruction of the overactive gland. Now, surgery. This involves the removal of all or a part of the thyroid gland. This is normally only performed once the thyroid hormone levels have been controlled using medication. There are general risks with surgery and general anesthesia. Further side effects include damage to the recurrent irradial nerve. Watch detailed lecture on scardia.com medicine course. That's 2 minutes. See you in the next video.